How to report lost or stolen Costco Citi Card. Hey everybody. If you would like to report lost or stolen Costco Citi Card, you may follow up the steps. So for that, you can immediately contact Citi. You can head over to online.citi.com, their customer service available, and report the loss and request a replacement card. So you can just head over to their website right here, the support page, and there you will be finding call us option. There you can directly find a number. You can directly contact them by dialing this following number available. For general support for Citi cards, you can look out for this number, which is 1-800-950-5114. Or you can just go ahead and look out for the branch near of you and look out for the number available in the website, and you can directly contact them. Otherwise, we have this option of mailing address also. You can just go ahead and use this method if you prefer this method instead and do so. Or the easiest method available is you can directly just go ahead and go in person to the nearest branch available of your Citibank. After that, you can just go ahead and do so. Otherwise, there is a police report available. While it is not always required, you can file a police report, which may be helpful in some situations, particularly if you believe that your card was stolen. And once you report the loss to the city, they will cancel the old card and issue you a new one. And that is it. So therefore, you may follow up this method if you would like to report lost or stolen Costco Citi card. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.